volcano eruption that could lead to the formation of a new island.
Wow.
The last known underwater eruption in the area was in 2005.
What an incredible sight.
Wow, I wouldn't want to be on a boat near that.
That would create quite a few waves, wouldn't it?
That would not be fun. Park City today, we had a little bit of snow this morning, about 1 to 2 inches, and folks were up on the ski slopes enjoying what turned out to be one of those perfect bluebird days here in Utah. New powder and just perfect, gorgeous weather conditions. Can you believe how nice it is up there? Out of the haze and into the warm. Even off to take in the sunshine. 36 degrees right now in Ogden. This is the weather web looking southeast towards the Davis County Wasatch Mountains. We do have blue skies here in the valley, a little bit of haze, but 36 in Ogden is compared to 46 in Salt Lake City, so it is quite a bit warmer here. Here's the big picture. Plenty of precipitation across parts of Texas, snow in Oklahoma, and also in Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, and a new storm system along the west coast is already providing some precipitation, rain, and snow to California. It's good news because they're in a 10-year drought. It is 58 in San Francisco right now, 61 in Los Angeles, 65 in Phoenix. Denver and Salt Lake City both are 46, and the real cold air has retreated into Canada, with the exception of Bismarck, where it is 19. In the Beehive State, we even have a colder place than Bismarck, and of course you know what it's like in the basin. You get the snow on the ground at night, the radiational cooling, the fog forms, and last night it was 9 below zero at Fort Duchesne. It was 8 below in Roosevelt, 4 below in Vernal, and so it's just not warming up much in the basin right now. 17 degrees for a temperature, and that's about what the afternoon high is in Vernal right now. San Francisco, rain falling there, as well as Seattle. They could use some cold air for the Vancouver Olympics. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. They're going to have a mix of rain and snow over the next several days. This storm moves into the west and begins to split apart as the northern extent of it will reach the Wasatch Front. Here's what the jet stream looks like right now. There's a ridge right over the top of us. It's kind of like a wall. It's hard to get these storms to come in when a ridge sits right over the top of us, but it will begin to move eastward. And when the first piece of storm energy comes in tomorrow, that'll bring a slight chance for a little bit of snow and rain late in the day. And then on Saturday, the storm carves out a bigger trough across the west coast, and that's going to spill a lot of precipitation into central and southern Utah. And yes, we'll have a few showers around here as well. Even some light snow showers in Cache Valley with 33 on Saturday, 31 on Sunday. Back to cold and fog next week, folks, as that storm system on Wednesday probably won't be enough to push the cold and fog away. Cedar City, rain turning to snow, and then periods of snow on Sunday. Lots of accumulation in the mountains, 1 to 2 feet or more. Cedar City, you'll have some accumulation, as you will in Price and into Emery County and Castle Country. Looks like several inches will fall over the weekend. And then next week turns colder again. Same thing for the southeastern part of the state. Periods of rain mixed with snow and actually a little warmer Saturday, Sunday. And then next week, with the storm systems returning to the west coast and leaving Utah, we'll be back into the fog and colder weather. The basin is just wildly crazy with temperatures from 19 tomorrow to 30 on Sunday. Snow will fall and will accumulate a couple of inches across the basin. That'll just add to the snowpack that's already on the ground and complicate the inversions once again. For the Wasatch back, a little snow coming up for tomorrow, a little more snow on Saturday and Sunday, periods of rain in southern Utah. And I have to warn you, if you are planning to travel this weekend, especially above 6,500 feet, it's going to be a real problem from Salt Lake City southward and from the Wasatch Mountains eastward into the basin. And notice those temperatures tomorrow still pretty warm in the mid-40s. Not bad for this time of the year.
No, not bad at all.